Alright, so today's going to be a little bit different than what we've used to do because there's been a lot of problems today. So because of that, here's what I want you to do. What you have is your Google Forms, and what I also shared with you is your digital notebook. Now, one thing that I want to be clear is the difference of today's digital notebook. So this one I have page 1, page 2, and page 3. Now, what I want is because there's a lot of problems on today's Google Forms, what I want you to do is at the end of the lesson, you are going to upload pages of your work to show me that you did that. So page 1 means you upload the first page of your work, page 2 means you uploaded the second page, and page 3, if you have 3 pages of notes, you would upload the third page to your notes. So this is just for you to take pictures of your notes, so I have it instead of doing problem by problem. And then don't forget at the end, you're going to show your work and upload it for the exit ticket. So just remember that the only difference is for you to upload by page of your notes rather than by problem, because today has a lot of problems, to save time for you.